Mama wakwaba midi ede adwoa search him. Mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. So say o fapa and his excellency Nanado Dankwa Ekufuado and afenso eye Urang Gabi Ochredako sene wo kano ampa dia and a che camera si so napa eye his excellency Nanado Dankwa Ekufuado chew and I empo NPP amayoko ni na Vice President Dr. Bawumia say ampa asasa over back to NPP na they will see platform so we the wow. Felix appear and the reply way e de ama Mary amwakwa buedu e wa bra say no also wasasa na adwan all back to NPP amayoko ni mu na do for me ka se enche no yenti ensema Felix appear e de etudwa o kire se Mary amwakwa buedu e mepa his excellency na do dan kwakufa ado chew indeed also se wasasa ampa
change. You can never have my level of integrity, Mary Buedu. You can never have my level of integrity. Never. What didn't you say about Ken? Have you apologized to Ken? For us to know that you are sincere, why don't you put on a camera, apologize to Nanado, apologize to Bawumia, apologize to NPP, apologize to Honorable Ken, and then you can now say, okay, I've apologized to them, everything is okay, so let me go on and work. But to him say Ghana for any be na baby tiu or bra mon share the trend ade but me me match mo dada. So my catch them say me even if the MPP gurus will let two people go, I mean I match you anytime. Na me share that ba me see video na why am no be nu ho Mary Buedu because me can throw me be making crazy allegations say and you didn't give me attention in 20. Fuck you gave me attention. You gave me attention because everything I was saying was true. So you had to run away from social media. You have to go start on YouTube. And now we have kese meja o kakrabe 1 year menkan ase me through the kuku o san be sheho o san aba Facebook ase aba be jimi bi because election year aba. We true you don't flip flop. Real people don't flip flop. When you say it's A, it has to be A. Say ye B now ko jiske dia be say ye. So I say Felix, not only apology, she needs to retract every word she said about Ken. I mean, it's okay, don't mind this lady. Now I mean I am one say Ghana for no and then the Mary Buedu no campaign ma Kennedy ye na wana Kennedy for no ye nnim kwachiri ye and the Mary Buedu say Bawumia say na Bawumia for no ye and the Mary Buedu say Nanado na ye there be omo de aye o ye de aye ye hu ye feel ye ekoyeni we saw it what these people did. These people said they wanted a constitutional overthrow. That is the part I don't get. These people were willing to throw away a whole constitution. They wanted mayhem. Yeman tokwen sigana munko chia ya lolo basis munko yese. Oba yenwa apologize to Ekufuado. No Bawumia no MPP no anybody you insulted. Because I want to ask CSFS na dia wo kan ni na na ye tro. Na afi ne who kan ya na kan ya ne MPP dia. Then you come, you do an apology, you retract your dirty statement against them, and you do your work. And then Kennedy owned to mean the assemblyman, and then Kennedy to be the president. Kennedy, we hear petition say, "Young fan ban," say, "Oh, top problem. This woman was willing to buy problem for Honorable Kennedy in Japan." Nini na muyefi nini. She was willing to buy problem for Kennedy in Japan. She worked she invited Al Jazeera. Go to Ghana right now and see what is happening. I told you people Ekufuado is a tyrant. I told you people Ekufuado is not good. I am from the house. I know he's a wicked man. I told you Ekufuado is bad. And then Mahama is the bad one. Ekufuado is the good one. Marie, you see video now. I am in wrong. Ebefuno abusuya me de besia men ka sepi me de besia but Marie should get ready for me we are just a preliminary we na dey fair ni mu keke meme ni pe who you are sisire pateku a wodi dwa nwoma akata wo be wie nyamemba I will expose you always Marie I would expose you big big time this time around. Because I'm saying, on telephone. On telephone, they are a man where we journey with your hiatus with Facebook. No, I take on to say about you never phone. Marie, Messi about phone this time around, never phone. So I'm quite see idea our person will start here about phone.
Nti adofo ensemwe na Felix Apia aka ede ache Marie amwakwa buedu na ye ne Felix ebeya adwen Madam Marie oso wa back to NPP ade ye behu se wa asesampa ene se wa be pacho sa na NPP amayoko no e kan mo eche se sorry NPP followers no eche se Marie oso wa wenu ho de wo de his excellency na Nana Akufo-Addo Vice President Dr. Bawumia a honorable Kennedy a compare Japan and somehow okay kind it got to a point now say mana enya dia obepre na in friend say honorable Kennedy a compare Japan he say try possible best say on by UK and enyama o ye enya asem keto akra ni nyina echi no wa ba say we fi NDC Felix say NDC for entry to bada enya de anka obeba indeed so we know a hwe cameras so na pacho na omo say ampa wa asesampa nti ensem say na Felix Apia aka ede ache Marie amwakwa abuedu
ebe funu pa because me de bia masem ami bisa ne say won sem ne wickedness ya odema MP nti sampa se de amoye ye ni na ye adwuma na MPP lose power na NDC for every woman opposition. Marie Tankero baby just own position into no over call the MPP back. There be they are now open with UK NDC. When it didn't work. It didn't work. So now you want to turn around and do a U-turn. Get ready for me. Monday can be a program be, but Monday will be about Marie Buedu. I will remind people the atrocities you wanted to happen to Ghana. Marie, as Oba Wuma Akodenu for, I will show what you were willing to sacrifice the youth of Ghana to do for your own parochial interest. And after that, we shall have a conversation. Yes, please, anybody who message you with my old number, like I've already put in the statement out, please ignore. It's not me. I would not ask you for money. I don't ask for money. Anybody tell you that Flex said he's busy, he's sick, he needs money, he needs help, it's not me. I don't need no help. I don't need nothing from nobody. So you people make sure you don't go sell yourself cheap for any scammer to scam you. I plead with you. But Mr. David, I'll be here. Socrates, I'll be here on Monday. Yeah? I'll be here on Monday and we'll put things into perspective. We have to expose the little foxes in the vineyard and let people know the truth. We cannot sit down country and allow people to just come inside when it is election time to come and take sides and start doing stupidity because they are going to be noticed or going to be given something. Thank you.